Okay, today we're going to make some spider cookies. Yes, I'm going to make them with my granddaughter, and she's going to do the primary mixing and baking. Okay, Chef Cassidy, what's the first thing we have to do?
Preheat your oven to 375.
Okay, what's the next thing we have to do?
Unwrap all of these.
Okay, and what are those?
Reese's peanut butter cups.
Yeah, you want to hold up the bag? And these are the minis. So let me open the bag for you.
I can do it. Okay.
Yeah, it's not easy as look. Okay, so start unwrapping them.
Good thing I like to unwrap things.
Yeah, like presents.
Do I also unwrap the black part?
Yes. And the reason Cassie's doing that is we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let them be cold so they don't melt so fast when we put them on our cookies. We'll be back. Okay, you got them all ready, and we're going to put them in the refrigerator while we make and bake the cookies. Okay, it's time to bake the cookies. Right now we're going to put in our ½ cup of white sugar and ½ cup of brown sugar in that metal bowl. Okay, and then we need our ½ cup of melted, well, I should say room temperature butter. Okay, and you might have to use your paddle to get all of that out.
Not really.
Okay. Did you get it all?
Yeah.
Okay, and now we're going to use our mixer. Okay, go further. A little further yet. Okay, we're going to do that for about 3 minutes. Looks good and creamy. Now let's add our egg there, our 1 egg. Okay.
That was pretty gross.
And then we're going to...
Oh, it's funny.
That's okay. Just put it down. And then we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of, or excuse me, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Yep, that's the right one. And now we're going to want to add our ½ cup peanut butter. You might want to put it on this side. It gives you more room. It's easier, honey, if you just dig it in, and there you go, sideways and dig it. That's the way to do it. Get it all out.
Can I have the rest of the peanut butter?
You can lick, but right now you got to put more in there, else your recipe won't be good. That's good. Got a little more to get out of there. Okay. Next step is you've got your 1 3/4 cup flour already measured. Now you have to put in your 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's nice and level, very good. Okay, your 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, then let's take a fork and mix it up well, okay? Just be careful it doesn't go all over. Okay, we'll get that mixed up and we'll go to the next step. There you go. Okay, stop. Okay, show how nice and creamy it is. Oh, stop eating the dough. It's so good. But yes, it has raw eggs in it. But you know what? They're from my chickens, and we are risk takers, aren't we? Because what is it? It tastes really, really good, the dough does. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator though and let it cool for at least 30 minutes. You can even do it overnight because it's much easier for the next stage. Okay, we've taken the dough out of the refrigerator. Put it right here for you. Here's your scoop. Scoop it out. Okay, so do it And then put it on the side of the bowl like this. There you go. And scoop it into your hand. Into your hand. You have to have your hand ready. Okay, now roll it into a ball. And then you're going to coat it with the sugar. Just roll it around. Yep, great. You want to keep it about 2 inches apart. Okay?
My dough was really doughy.
Yep, do another one. Remember, scrape it across in the side. Okay, that's too much. You gotta press it on the side. Like this. See? There. Now push it out in your hand. Make sure your hand's there. Afraid it's gonna go on the floor. Okay. And then make your ball. Roll it in the sugar.
If I wanted to, I'd just play this all day.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we'll keep doing that with the rest. We're gonna make these in batches. We're gonna put this in the oven for probably about 12 minutes. Do your thing down there. Push that right in the middle.
Not too much.
Well, you want enough because this has got to go in it. Okay?
I know, but it's just very soft dough.
Okay, don't do that.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Just once is enough, okay? Okay. You want to put some of these in?
A cold chocolate and a warm cookie.
Yeah. Ooh, that one wanted to come out.
Alright, I was gonna do that. And then I cut this one.
Okay. Now,
These don't
supposed
look
to put
anything.
the eyes on.
These don't look anything like spiders.
They will. Here they are with their eyes. We'll let them cool before we put it on the legs. So Cassidy needed help putting on the legs. It was a little hard for her. Now, you don't have to buy something like this. You can actually just make it, I'll put it down below, by melting chocolate chips. I think they turned out so cute, especially on my special spider plate. How's your cookie?
Very good.
Very good. They look good? I'd eat it, except I've ate one already and it really filled me up. These are really, really good. And the neat thing about them is you can freeze them just like this, so they'd be ready for Halloween, or you can freeze the dough and make them later. It's up to you. So I hope you enjoyed this with Chef Cassidy, and I want to encourage all of you to teach kids what you know. Teach them to bake or to preserve foods or do things in the workshop, whatever you do, because it's really important to pass our knowledge on. Isn't that right, Cassidy? Okay. We may have another video with Chef Cassidy sometime in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please subscribe and share the knowledge. Ooh, should we have another cookie?